Raft of Wandering Otters, and we are at point 7, Seal Rock.
Let's say 8.
Point 8, sorry. Point 7 was Bird Rock.
Bird Rock, yeah.
Right. So, here at Seal Rock, you'll never guess why it's named Seal Rock.
Seals.
How'd you know?
Because there are seals hanging out, or it's shaped like the rock is shaped like a seal.
I think it might be a little bit of both, because if you use your imaginations like looking at clouds, some of these rocks out here can look like seals. All right. So yes.
Guess what?
What?
Guess what, Dad?
What?
You want to go to Liverpool to see the Merseyside Derby?
I hadn't really planned on it, but it sounds like fun.
I'll tell you when the next Merseyside Derby is.
Well, thank you. All right, I'm going to go ahead and walk this around and let everybody see it, but we are on our map here, we're at Bird Rock, and that's where the bathrooms are. In fact,
it's December 4th at 12 p.m.
Okay, and so now we are at Seal Rock, right there. Okay, let me walk you around and show you a little bit. Oh, we love this house up on the hill. Looks like Shire folk, right? Yeah, you could just see Bilbo Baggins coming out of there, or some other hobbit. All right, so there is the sign for Seal Rock. This is still Monterey Peninsula. I think it's still Monterey Peninsula Country Club. Really, that might be the border of it right there. And we come up on this edge, and you can see got a little bit of, I don't know what you call that, estuary or something. A little bit of wetness here. And there is Seal Rock. And then here is Seal Rock. Still a nice place. Also, it's got nice cement steps on down to the beach. Doesn't look like a lot of picnic tables and stuff here. There is a bench here by the handicap parking. Ma'am, you're parked in the handicap zone? Oh, thought I had a bust. And, oh, look at this. Apparently, it is a dog beach, so clean up after your dog. And a lot of the beaches around here that do allow dogs, or the areas, walking areas, will have these bags for dogs. So that is always a very nice courtesy, is to pick up after your dog. It's actually very discourteous to not clean up after your dog. Up that hill behind that Hobbit house is Spyglass Hill golf course. Okay, Raft of Wandering Otters. We're at point 8 in our 17-mile drive tour series. Glad you joined us. Hope you're having a great day. See you in the next one.